Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can fix if you are facing there was a problem with your Instagram request. So how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Play Store and right here you have to search for the Instagram. Here you will see a update button. Simply you can click on the update button, update your Instagram and try to open your Instagram. So if your problem is fixed, then good. Otherwise you can simply go back, tap a while on the Instagram, go to the info button and you will see app info page like this. So simply you have to click on the storage. Here you have to click on the clear cache, and once you will do it, now again try to open your Instagram. Maybe your problem will be solved. Otherwise you can simply delete your Instagram application and reinstall it. So these are the ways. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.